to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you my setup. So, this is my microphone. It is a microphone, and I have no idea what model or anything it is, but it's a microphone. So, yeah, there it is. Right here. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boo. See, now but that's pretty cool. So, moving on. Windows 10 laptop here, and you can see here is my recording thing, and you can see that it's like an infinite mirror, like that. So there, and yeah, laptop there, laptop. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. Now, if you want to go ahead and look. My monitor right here. See, like this, like for PK, stuff like that. Monitor. It is a 75. It is a 20-inch monitor. Yeah, I don't really know the specs and stuff. It's by Skeptire or something like that. See, my only bug is with my setup is, as you can see, my mouse is right here. But if I wanted to go move to my monitor, I have to move this way, and then it's on this monitor. But when on my monitor, if I want to go to the edge and put it there, it doesn't go to my laptop. That is my only bug. Stop farting! Stop it! I'm recording a video! Next. I have a level up keyboard. Very good. And then, I have a level up mouse. There. Wired. Yeah, that's mostly my setup, and then my webcam. Just give me a second. Here's my webcam. It's right here. That's what I've been recording this video with. So yeah, here's my webcam. Use it. Wire webcam. And yeah, it's pretty helpful. It's a good 1080p HD Logitech webcam. Can't really tell you anything else. Okay, so hold my no. Well, but yeah, that's mostly my setup. I don't really have anything else to it. I mean, I can like do stuff. Watch him. Like nothing really else I can do or I can tell you about. This is around $20. 10 or no 20. 40. And this $375 for that monitor. And yeah, that's mostly setup. I really ain't got anything else to say. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, if you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get notified when I upload new videos. Only if you want. I ain't gonna make you do it. I can't really make you do it, but yeah. Peace out, boys.